Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Ultimate and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Huawei Health on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's find the icon and tap on it. It's right here. Once you open the Huawei Health application, you should see the health page. Now tap on devices, and on this page you should see your Huawei Watch Ultimate. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll down through this page and no, don't scroll down, my bad. In the top right corner you have this button right here, more options. Tap on it and then tap on unpair device. Then tap on unpair to confirm. The watch will disappear from the list of devices. You can close the app. And just in case, you can also open the Bluetooth settings on your phone and check if it's on the list of connected devices. As you can see, it's not, but if it was here, you can tap on it and tap on forget and then forget again to confirm. Okay, and at this point the watch is unpaired from our Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.